Now, the next set of breathing techniques I call bellows breathing and reverse breathing. Now, bellows breathing is, imagine if you have a bag that you are trying to get the fire started with, and you pull it open, and you've got this little nozzle at the top. And as you pull the bag, the expansion of the bag actually pulls that air in. Then the compression of the bag pushes the air out. And so we're going to go ahead and imagine that our belly is that bag, okay? And the bag is pulling the air in as we expand. We're going to try to breathe in 8 directions and expand the abdomen in 8 directions, all until the breath will go all the way to the pelvic floor, work its way up and out in 8 directions, all the way to the top of the lung, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate, and let's see if you can follow along. And you can have your hands directly underneath your belly button. And again, connect to the earth. No matter where you are, connect to Mother Earth. Now we're going to go ahead and breathe in. And I want you to close the pelvic floor, meaning that you're going to contract the anus and the urethra just gently, so that you have a little bit of contraction down there because you're pushing the air all the way to the bottom, okay? So we're breathing in. And then hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Breathe. The longer you exhale, the better, because that's when your body's actually absorbing, it's actually absorbing oxygen at that moment. The longer you exhale, the more oxygen gets into your blood. So when you think you can't exhale anymore, I want you to try to push even more out, and then I want you to hold your breath for 5 seconds, and then breathe in and allow that belly to pull that air in, and it builds and builds and builds and builds until you feel it all the way up here. And then once the air starts coming up, I want you to you can keep your eyes closed, roll your eyes up and look towards the sky as you're trying to draw that energy all the way to the top, tippity top of the lung, okay? So I want you to do this 9 times, okay? You're doing bellows breathing 9 times. Breathing in. As you exhale, allow your sternum to press towards your spine as well. Kind of round your back and really try to collapse those lungs so that you're pushing all that air out.